Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys doing some TCG ticker requests. As part of TheChartGuys, you get to ask us about whatever chart you happen to be trading, and we do some technical analysis on it, or one of our many knowledgeable and skilled members can provide the same for you. It is a fantastic community of amazing people who really want to help each other understand, learn, and utilize technical analysis. So let's check out Boeing. It's a BA on the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame and the hourly time frame for that matter are really showing me a tightening range that I think is going to be giving us a very, very beautiful trading opportunity very soon. Right now we're looking for a resistance break of 182.65 for upside continuation, or we're going to be looking for a break of the 171.62 support. That support is much closer to its neighbor, this consecutive higher lows, than we see the spread between our highs. Now what that tells me is that the bears have more power in their downward drives to reach the previous support level, and the bulls have more work to do and are unable to do that work to get closer to their highs. So it does add a tiny little bearish lean, but I will happily play any direction on BA once we decide we're actually going to find a direction. So how are we going to do that? We're going to look for a break of one of those two levels. That range may continue to tighten over the next 24 hours or 48 hours or so. We do have some room to work with. I'm going to be looking for an uptick in volume. I'm going to be looking for a turn in this volume average, and I am going to be looking for a break of one of those levels. Then we will look for resistance at the next higher low or lower high and see if we can't get ourselves a beautiful trade opportunity there. SPCE is the next ticker we want to look at. Daily time frame overbought. We need to be concerned about the fact that we're overbought. We have been overbought before. We're not going to forget the run up in January or the majestic climb in February, and we seem to be getting close to repeating that again. I'm not so sure we're going to see the same sort of reaction. Now, we're going to be playing the technicals, which means we're going to be watching our trends. We're going to be watching our higher lows, or we're going to be cautious of overbought positions. So on the daily time frame, we are overbought. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, and this is the key one for me, I'm going to be watching for the loss of 4-hour higher lows. This seems to be the most important trend, and we'll take a look at why that is. But the 4-hour higher low support right now is 22.05. If we lose that, then we're going to be looking for daily consolidation and a cooling of the RSI. Now, the reason I like the 4-hour time frame more than the hourly is because the hourly is losing its levels without much follow through. So we can't put as much reliance on it. The 4-hour, however, is performing beautifully and charting beautifully, and we're going to keep an eye on that. So here is an hourly higher low, base of support. We lose it, drop, 4-hour higher low set. Then we get up here. We're at risk of losing 4-hour hourly higher lows again. Right now, we're probably in a 15-minute bear flag situation, a little bit extended. Perhaps you can make a case for it on the 30-minute time frame, but 15-minute downtrend, now going sideways, looking for hourly support. We lose hourly support, then we're going to be looking for 4-hour higher lows. And like I said, that is the trend to watch right now. Bulls want to see a healthy consolidation, a 4-hour higher low over 22.05, and then look to the upside. However, again, overbought on the daily. Let's see if we can't hold that key support level. And if we do happen to break bull, our next major resistance, I think I would put us here, 28.01. Next one, PLUG. If we go to the weekly time frame, we are in a weekly bull flag. And on the daily time frame, I like the fact that our lows don't have much follow through. This is too extended for me to be looking at as a strictly daily bull flag, but we do have a nice base of support, and we do have a slightly higher high and slightly higher low, almost a tightening range. Let's go check that out on the 4-hour time frame. It's not quite there, but we do see an attempt here, and this is why it's not quite there. We have that high just over 964, so that resistance is 966. You know what? I'm pretty comfortable calling that a double top, because actually if we grab that level, that's a 1 cent spread between 965 and 966. So to me, that is a double top. If we have a double top, we have higher lows. It means we're shaping up for a ascending triangle type formation, possibly equilibrium. Less likely though, but we are going to look for continuation in this tightening range. If bulls can get over 966 with some conviction, then we're going to be looking for daily continuation and resistance way up here at 1049. It would be an absolutely beautiful thing if it did happen. But it's going to take a little bit of action on the part of the bulls, because in the hourly time frame, it's going to have us overbought. on the break of 966. So best case scenario, what can we expect to happen? That would be the best case for us would be a rejection or not even an attempt to get to 966, hourly higher lows, allow that RSI to cool off, and then break that key level. Get above it, back test, upside continuation. Let's see what happens. That's the best case scenario. It rarely ever works out the best case. That's why we need to prepare for everything. If we lose 832, we have some micro support below it, 817, and then below that way over here on the daily, 662. All right, guys, that's it for today. A lot of videos. It is 30-something degrees in my office, and I'm going into the pool. Have a good day.